Good evening, everyone. This is Jammu and Kashmir news analysis. Since 10 days, we didn't come up with any analysis because most of the news was political in nature. And we have tried to sum up all the important current affairs in the past 10 days into one video in order to save your time. Today, we will also be discussing one important theme, that is the Kashmir coinage system. And in addition to it, जो हमारी important news है since the last 10 days, we will be discussing that also. I have posted this PDF in my Telegram channel, the link of which I have attached in the comment sections. So let's start. First from the Kashmir coinage system. अगर हम कश्मीर coinage system की बात करें तो this has a very unique quality. Kashmir coinage system has remained unchanged since 12 centuries. 12 centuries तक जो कश्मीर का coinage system है वो बिल्कुल ही unchanged रहा. It's being said कि कनिष्क के टाइम से अराउंड 78 एडी टू द मुस्लिम कॉन्क्वेस्ट टाइम जो कि 1339 एडी में है, इस टाइम के बीच में जो क्वाइनेज सिस्टम था दैट वाज टोटली कांस्टेंट, उसमें कोई भी चेंज नहीं आई है. तो अब स्टिल इसमें कुछ कुछ वेरिएंट्स हैं जो आपको याद रखने हैं. 3 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वाइनेज सिस्टम्स हैं. एक दिरहम है, द सेकंड इज द कॉइन्स ऑफ मिहिर खुला, द थर्ड आर द कॉइन्स ऑफ कारकोटा डायनास्टी जिनको टाइटल मिला था किदारा का. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं दिरहम की. अगर हम बात करें दिरहम की तो आपको सबको पता है कि दिरहम हैज बीन अ करेंसी ऑफ द मुस्लिम्स मोस्टली सल्तनट्स, बट दिरहम वाज रीनेम्ड periodically. For example, जब कनिष्क was ruling the kingdom of Kashmir, at that time there was a special coin. ये special coin जो है इसमें at one side there is a standing king and on the other side there is a seated goddess. इसको अगर आप गौर से देखेंगे तो this is a goddess which is seated on this seat and there is a king which is standing. So this was a coin which was prevalent during the times of Kanishk. इसी कॉइन को दोबारा से रीनेम किया गया उसके बाद बार बार इन वेरियस डायनासिटीज, और ये एक्सटेंड किया गया टिल दी दिल्ली सल्तनत वाला टाइम, टिल दी मुस्लिम कॉन्टेक्स्ट वाला टाइम. Now see, this was about the Kanishk wala time, which started in 1st century AD. But there were also different variants of different coins in the Huns period and also in the period of Karkota dynasty. अगर Huns का time हम देखें तो it's around 500 CE और इनका time is around 600 CE roughly. तो इस टाइम में अराउंड 6th and 7th centuries में जो है coins में थोड़ा सा वेरिएशन आता है. Coins of Meherkula आप देखें तो यहाँ पे there is a king which is facing left and जो ये picture है it is representing the king. In Karkota dynasty, the first king of the Karkota dynasty was Durla Bhadravana, and this Durla Bhadravana had his own figure engraved on the coin. एक साइड से इसकी क्रूड फिगर थी this, and on the other side was the goddess Lakshmi ji. तो दिस वॉज ए कॉइन विच वॉज प्रेवलेंट ड्यूरिंग द कारकोटा डायनास्टी. लेकिन कारकोटा डायनास्टी के एक फेमस किंग थे ललित आदित्य मुक्तापिधा, जिनके कॉइन्स को आउटसाइड कश्मीर भी पाया जाता है जो सेम लाइंस पे थे. दैट इज ऑन द वन साइड देयर वाज किंग, ऑन द अदर साइड देयर वाज गॉडेस लक्ष्मी, और इन कॉइन्स को टाइटल दिया गया किदारा का. एंड इट्स बीइंग सेड कि ये प्योर गोल्ड फॉर्म में नहीं होते थे. दीज कॉइन्स वर बीइंग फाउंड इन द इलेक्ट्रम. छोटा सा बेस इनका गोल्ड का, सिल्वर का या कॉपर का होता था. तो 3 इंपॉर्टेंट कॉइनेज सिस्टम्स अभी हमने पढ़े. दिरहम विच वाज बीइंग रीनेम्ड, जो कनिष्क किंग के जो भी कॉइन्स थे उनको रीनेम किया गया एज दिरहम. द सेकंड वेयर द कॉइन्स ऑफ द हुन्स व्हिच वेर कॉल्ड एज कॉइन्स ऑफ मेहर कुला. एंड देन वी हैड द कारकोटा डायनास्टी में जिसमें 2 किंग्स की कॉइन्स आए थे बाय द नेम ऑफ किदारा टाइटल. So now coming to the news is about the Jammu and Kashmir's war on drugs. जैसा कि 2018 नेशनल सर्वे में देखा गया, अराउंड 14.09 लाख पीपल एज्ड बिटवीन 10 to 75 आर कंज्यूमिंग साइकोएक्टिव सब्सटेंसेस. सो गवर्नमेंट ने ये डिसाइड किया दैट वी हैव टू कर्ब दिस we have to wage a war on the drugs through a multifaceted approach, जिसमें we will work on prevention, enforcement, treatment, rehabilitation, and awareness. See, these 4 5 keywords are very important because they actually depict a holistic approach towards curbing the drugs in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir. प्रिवेंशन की बात करें तो इट इज बीइंग सेड दैट फार्मास्यूटिकल सेल्स शॉप्स के पास या उनके इर्द गिर्द जो है काफ़ी सीसीटीवीज को इंस्टॉल किया गया इन दीज ड्रग मार्केट्स. ऑल्सो देयर बिलिंग्स वेयर बीइंग कंप्यूटराइज्ड. तो इन सब चीज़ों को इन्फोर्स किया गया, अवेयरनेस जनरेट की गई, रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर्स इस्टेब्लिश किए गए, एंड देयर वाज आल्सो जीरो टॉलरेंस पॉलिसी अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज. फॉर एग्जांपल 1 2 3 weeks back, we there was a news that 6 police officers were being terminated because of their connection with the drug trafficking. So there is a zero tolerance policy against the government employees which are employed in the drug trafficking. The next is the glacial lake outburst in Jammu and Kashmir. See, there are a lot of disasters going on. For example, landslide is one of them, cloudburst is one of them, but one of the disaster which will be जो आगे बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेंसिटी के साथ होने जा रहा है, दैट इज ग्लेशियल लेक आउटबर्स्ट, बिकॉज स्नोफॉल इज बिलो द नॉर्मल लेवल. जैसे इस बार हमने वी एक्सपीरियंस्ड नो स्नो गुलमर्ग. Similarly, the temperatures are very high, which has contributed to the high glacial melting. And इसकी वजह से it's being said that 180 pro-glacial lakes will be exposed to glacial lake outburst. There is a village, Asthal village in South Kashmir, Kulgam district, where there is a lake known as Visha Lake, and ये कहा जाता है कि this has a very big threat of glacial lake outburst, Visha Lake. The second is about Gurez, that Gurez has been battling the worst droughts in years, and this has actually impacted the local varieties of rajma, black zira, and potatoes. Here is some statistics about it. Gurez has distinctly growing crops organically. For example, this black zira, it's being found wild. इसको cultivate नहीं किया जाता. It's being found in the forests of Gurez. And but this time, due to the heat waves, due to the intense temperatures, the zira production has been very less. And the yield has been only between 10 to 20%, and it has impacted the local ecology and the tourism also. There was a news about the pastoralist of J&K, so I decided to write down in order to inform you about the major pastoralist types which are present in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir. If we consider Jammu and Kashmir, there are these groups of Bakarwals, Gujars, Chopans, and Ghatis. These 4 groups are the pastoralist groups of Jammu and Kashmir. लद्दाख की बात करें तो देर आर चैंगपास. अब इनको बकरवाल्स की बात करें तो दे ओन द शीप एंड द गोट. गुजर्स दे ओन द बफेलोज एंड चौपान्स दे own the sheeps. Now, Jammu and Kashmir election body has set up centers to monitor the fake news, and these centers are called as command and control centers. ये fake news का ध्यान रखेंगे, social media channels पे strict vigilance रखेंगे ताकि कोई भी misinformation regarding the elections is not being circulated and there is free and fair conduct of elections. Then there is a interesting news about self-reliant J&K. It was being said that J&K was in a grave debt, but recently it's being said that J&K has paid massive debt of around 28,000 crores, and now the GSDP states GDP is growing at a rate of 7.5% in the current fiscal year. There is also interesting news about an environmental compensation that is to be paid by the municipal corporate office or corporation office in Bhadarwa. They were not adhering to the solid waste management rules, and due to this illegal and unscientific manner of handling and disposal of the municipal solid waste, now the High Court has imposed this. Jammu and Kashmir Pollution Control Committee has imposed around a fine of 11.55 lakhs. The next is about the high density apple orchards. जैसा कि देखा गया है कश्मीर में these are growing at a very alarming rate, and these are actually dwarf root stocks. Earlier एक traditional पेड़ अगर होता, it would have taken for example 10 हेक्टेयर का अगर इसने 10 meters का अगर इसने एरिया लिया है, but यहाँ पे आप 10 हाई डेंसिटीज को लगा सकते हैं. और क्योंकि इनका जो रूट स्टॉक्स होते हैं दैट आर डॉफ. Also we have to take into consideration the environmental impacts that will be causing because of the high density plantation. So that is all from today's news analysis, and I will post the PDF in the Telegram channel. Till then, have a good day ahead.